to today's video. Today is very much a quick and easy clean with me. We're not doing anything drastic in today's video other than an oven clean, but I did film this for TikTok, so I just thought I'd pop it in here. Starting off doing the bedrooms, making our way downstairs, cleaning the kitchen, the downstairs bathroom after taking Cooper out on some muddy walk.
You did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. You should never have excuses for his behavior towards you, the one he loses. I know they seem to understand now, but they will never change, no matter how hard you try. Don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. Looks so pretty on the outside, got the eyes of an innocent one. You can never tell at the first glance. They'll never save the lessons for you. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. What
to cleaning the oven, I am using the Mr. Muscle oven cleaner, and this is just the best oven cleaner you could possibly use. It's done within 20 minutes. You don't have to do any scrubbing. It all comes off. It is really strong. It does hurt like the back of your throat with the fumes, but it's such good stuff. Moving on to the downstairs bathroom, so I took Uber out on some muddy walks. He's actually been a bit sick this week. There was a day where he just was throwing up in the evening, I don't know why, and then he was fine the next day. I haven't changed his food or anything, but I took him out on some muddy walks and he needed like a shower, so that is why the drain is clogged, because it's full of fur. So we're just cleaning that for today. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.